Hi, welcome to the Vue.js introduction. First of all, let's take a look at what is Vue.js. Vue.js is a JavaScript framework to build progressive user interfaces. It's developed by Ivan Yu, an ex-employee from Google. The first version of Vue.js was released in February 2014. Its architecture pattern is MVVM, Model-View-ViewModel. That means the view model acts as a mediator between the view and the backend logic. Vue.js is easy to learn. Any developer who has a basic knowledge in HTML and JavaScript can start to learn Vue.js. Don't have to worry if you are a beginner on web technologies and just starting to learn Vue.js. Vue.js has a big open source community fan base. You can join the community and ask your questions on forums and clarify your doubts, discuss the various concepts and learn more from other developers. Vue.js supports all ECMAScript 5 compliant browsers. Vue.js provides a development tool, a Chrome extension called Vue DevTools to inspect and debug Vue applications. You can find the documentations from their official website vuejs.org. Let's take a look at the main features of Vue.js. Lightweight. Vue.js is very lightweight and performance is very fast. Vue CLI. Vue.js providing CLI for scaffold, build and compile Vue.js app. It will save the time and help you through scaffold a project to a production ready build. Reactivity. Vue.js features a reactivity system that bidirectionally binds plain JavaScript objects and gives a optimizer re-rendering performance. Templates. We can create HTML based templates. It will bind the DOM to Vue instance with reactivity. Directives. Vue.js provide a bunch of HTML attributes called directives. We can use it for various actions, and we can create our own directives and extend the capabilities as per our needs. Event handling. Vue.js providing a better way to handle events with a built-in directive called Vue. Components. We can create components with a single or block of elements that can be inheritable, extensible and reusable. Watches. We can use watches to listen to a particular data changes and do things according to that. Routing. Vue.js not providing any routing library in the core framework, but we can use the official plugin called Vue Router to do all kind of routing. Computed properties. We can use Vue.js computed properties to listen to a data changes and assign a computed result with the data to a new property. Transition and animations. Vue provides the ability to set an animation on an element when a DOM changes happen. Thereby you can present the UI elements more attractively. Virtual DOM. Vue.js using virtual DOMs to keep the track of changes and to make the final changes to real DOM. It gives a optimized and faster performance. Plugins. Vue.js provides a bunch of official plugins for routing, state management and server-side rendering, and providing an easy way to write and install our own plugins to extend the functionalities. Mixing. Vue.js provides a flexible way to reuse functionalities across components with the help of mixins. Support TypeScript. Vue.js support TypeScript, so it will help to prevent many potential runtime errors. In this Vue.js series, we will cover beginners to advanced topics a simple and easy to understanding way. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. See you in the next session.